In this video, I am going to be installing these spark boot covers in order to protect the spark plug wires from the headers. So some of the people complain that it's difficult to get these boot covers installed over the spark plugs. And the reason for that is there is a spring right here, and it's hard to get it around the L-shaped or 45-degree bend of the spark plug boot. However, I have found an easy way for this. So what I'm going to do, remove the top part of my spark plug off the coil. It makes it easy also to find out how to replace these. I'm going to set this back in the position. And now that I've removed the boot, it's a straight line that I can slide this cover over. And then I can slide my boot back on. Make sure it's lined up correctly. There it is. And reinstall. So slide that over all the way down. And now I just need to slide this ring down over the spark plug boot. Well, this one's actually a little thick, so I wonder maybe I should turn it around and go from the other direction. So let's unplug it. There we go. Now maybe we can get this in here a little easier. It does not like to slide on top of this. So yeah, I'm gonna take and turn this one around. I think that'll help. So disconnect our spark plug wire and put this. All right. Move our boot. Turn it around. Reinstall our boot. Yeah, that provides a much better fit. Uh-oh. That is not all the way down. Lined up, yes. Click. Wrap this down. There we go. And we can slide that all the way down and protect our spark plug. There we go. 1 down, 8 to go. So next up, let's get the this one. It's going all the way over to here. So again, slide this spark plug boot off. Slide this boot on. I'm doing it in order to fit with the stitching down. All the way. That way, yeah, there we go. Gets in, slides over that boot nice and easy. Right, now let's reinstall our boot back to the distributor. And it's lined up properly. And this one went over here. All right. Now we can do this next one. Follow this one, goes right here. Then remove our boot. Slide the spark plug boot protector on, stitching side down. There we go. Reinstall our boot. Yep, point it up. Click down. And that slides on. Nice and easy. All right, last one. We're going to, on this side is the number 1 cylinder, which is right here. These spark plug wires are a little old, so these boots do not slide off easily. Stitching down again. Reinstall our boot. Yep, there we go. Number 1 back on, and let's slide this all the way down. And there we go. That side is done. Now let's get over to the other side. It's actually pretty easy job. All right. Start with the back one. That one goes all the way to here. And I think if you do this one wire at a time, it'll help you from getting your wires all mixed up and having to run everything again. Or maybe helpful to do this when you're first reinstalling all your spark plug wires. That way it's already on the spark plug wire ahead of time. And yep, there it is lined up. And then click it down. Now let's slide this all the way to the back cylinder. and on top of the spark plug boot. There we go. All right, next one is this one. There we go. That boot went back on pretty easy. There we go. And then the next one, we get these wires running here in front of the. Yeah, there we go. This one. All right, and then this one routed over here. Click it on, and then slide our boot all the way down, Coover. And one more. I think the hardest part is just getting these boots on the distributor side on and off. Some of them will go back on fairly easy, and some of them want to give you some trouble. And then let's get on this side. Let's get these shoved all the way down. There we go. One last one. There we go. Set all the way down to the up to the head. And there they are installed on the driver's side. And then come around here. And there they are installed on the passenger side. And I believe these were rated up to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. So hopefully that'll give us some good protection for those spark plug boots with the headers that I have set up. And we'll take a look at them now down the road and see how they're holding up. We'll do a review video on them later down. All right, that'll be it for this video. See you in the next one.